sample or not to sample? It's a question. Now, it's been my finding that sampling is actually a good thing, especially doing microgreens. Even though I'm in California, not a lot of people know what microgreens are. So by me sampling, it actually gives, I don't know, it introduces people to a new product. I meet some new friends, and I get some cool conversations sometimes. Plus, people buy. Want to try one out?
I'm good, thank you.
Sometimes they say no.
Now
that one's spicy there. That one's straight spicy if you like spicy. This
I
right
don't
here.
care about honey. I'm from Louisiana.
Okay.
I love spice. You know what I'm saying? I'm about one.
Sometimes they say yeah. I like to give out sunflower or pea, but as you can see, we don't have any of those today. The sample cups work out well too. The market mix is our #1 seller. So, hey, here we go. Every one of my good customers, my return customers, my restaurant customers, all those guys started off with one sample, mainly a sunflower or a pea, or a cup of microgreens. But just about all of those return customers all started off with that. So I figure if you're gonna give samples to a restaurant, you might as well give them to your farmer's market customers, right? You have to remember when giving samples is that you can very easily get pulled into different types of conversations. Basically, always be polite, but if you gotta excuse yourself from a conversation that you see is not gonna lead to a sale, and the market's kind of busy and you see a lot of potential customers passing you by, it's cool to just say, hey man, let's continue this conversation a little bit later. I got things to do. Most people understand. I'll see you soon, man. So be aware of that. There's a lot of people that come to the market that just kind of come here to hang out, which is cool. You can meet a lot of new friends, but just remember why you came, right? Unless, of course, you want to talk to some of your customers. Just saying. Microgreen. I never know what to say besides microgreens and microgreen guys. Don't be shy, come and try. Ching-a-lang, ching-a-lang. Ching-a-lang. Some people have some pretty cool calls. I'm just a purist, you know what I'm saying? One thing to keep in mind, whatever it is that you're sampling, normally it's gonna be the first thing that you sell out of. So make sure you have enough of it to go around. Hope you guys found this video helpful, man. Peace.